Ever wondered why your neighbor's succulent garden always looks so lush and vibrant? Succulent gardening, a popular trend, can pose some challenges. From watering to sunlight exposure, it's not always a walk in the park. Well, worry not. We're here to share some practical tips to help you nurture your succulent garden. Succulents are unique plants and they require special care. They're not your average houseplant after all. They're desert dwellers, accustomed to a little adversity. But don't worry, with a few tips, you'll be cultivating these resilient beauties like a pro. First up, let's talk about soil. Succulents need well-draining soil. They don't like to sit in waterlogged soil. So choose a gritty, coarse soil mix that drains quickly. Your succulents will thank you. Next, sunlight. These plants are sun worshippers. They need about 6 hours of sunlight a day. If you're growing them indoors, place them near a south-facing window. If that's not possible, a grow light will do the trick. Now, on to watering. This is where many succulent parents go wrong. It's not about how much water, but how often. Wait until the soil is completely dry before watering again. Then, water thoroughly. Imagine a desert downpour, not a steady drizzle. And finally, don't forget to fertilize. A little slow-release granular fertilizer in the spring and summer goes a long way. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to having a thriving succulent garden. Succulent gardening can be a rewarding hobby with the right knowledge and techniques. Imagine a vibrant oasis right at your fingertips. Applying these tips can transform your garden into a lush, healthy ecosystem. And remember, the benefits of a thriving succulent garden go beyond aesthetics. They can purify the air, boost your mood, and even improve concentration. Enjoyed our tips? Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening advice. Your succulent garden will thank you.